with some of the important map locations that were in news recently. Nuapada district is one of the major districts. It was initially part of Kalahandi till 1993 and later on separated, and is now one of the major tourist destinations with some of the major tourist locations which are noticed here. The next is Kandhamal district. Kandhamal district is known for its GI tag for haldi, the Kandhamal haldi, which it is known for. Also, it is known for the wildlife and the numerous forest range in the Kharda range. The next is Dangini village. Dangini village lies in Rayagada in Odisha. Now here the price of tamarind recently declined, and this affected the life of the tribal people. Now, tamarind is an important source of medicinal purpose, mainly for medicines required for nausea, treatment of cold, fever, constipation, and this is the region in Rayagada where the tribals are mainly involved with tamarind manufacturing, tamarind production, and therefore suffered a huge drawback. The next important location is Baripada. Now this lies in Mayurbhanj in Odisha, as you can see. So some of the major locations we are covering now are from Odisha. Recently recorded a very high temperature of 44 degrees Celsius, and this was the temperature which was recorded after another significant record which was made in the month of February. It is located near the Buddha Balang river, which is again an important center and is known for its Rath Yatra, a major cultural center. The next is Talcher thermal power plant. Now Talcher thermal power plant is one of the major plants, but it has been contributing significantly to air pollution. A 460 megawatt power plant had been commissioned in 1967. It is also known as Talcher is also known as City of Black Diamond and the Coal City of Odisha, one of the major states during the time of British administration. The next is Mahendragiri Biosphere Reserve. Now this has been the second reserve proposed by Odisha government. The idea is the Rayagada subdivision would be one of the districts of Gajpati, where we have diversified vegetation and a lot of tribals who are mainly relying on the shifting cultivation. They are known by various names as has been cited here, living in the areas of Gajpati, Rayagada and Bargarh. The next is the Bana district. Bana district lies in Rajasthan. Now this was initially part of Kota and later on separated as a separate district in 1991. It is known for the Bandhavdevra temple, which is one of the major temples here, and also the woody hills that are located here. The next is Jalore district. Jalore district is known as Granite City, again located in Rajasthan on the south of Sukri river. It is one of the tributaries of Luni river. We have a village known as Samtipura village here, which has been considered as cleaned by the local community and working on water storage, water harvesting as one of the major concepts. The next is Champawat district in Uttarakhand. Champawat district in Uttarakhand, as the name suggests, is known for its region mainly for the Champawati stream that flows through it and the Cholia dance, which is famous here. It is one of the parts of the eastern Kumaon district. The next is the Rudraprayag district. Here a significant increase in the COVID infections was registered mainly in two villages of Bhatwadi and Mawlyngot. Later on we have seen that Rudraprayag is also known for numerous tourist destinations, the Shiv temple, the Panch Prayag and so on. The next is Koppal district. Koppal district lies in Karnataka. This is the region where India's first toy cluster would be created, and the idea would be giving a thrust to Indian toys. Koppal is also known as the best seed production center in the region of Karnataka. It is also known for some of the tourist destinations as mentioned. The next is Kalaburagi. Kalaburagi lies in Karnataka again. It was initially officially the Gulbarg and now known as Kalaburagi. This is one of the regions which was initially part of Hyderabad and later on separated and now in Karnataka and part of Kannada region. This is famous for tur dal pigeon peas. One of the major limestone deposit centers are also seen here. The next is Taleigao village in North Goa. Now this is the center where a small project has been taken for utility management systems using Internet of Things and multiple sensors to identify and locate those. The next is Mawlyngot district in Meghalaya. Now here, blue earthworms are unique to this region. Blue earthworms are nearly 1.6 feet long, so significantly longer earthworms which are seen, and they can move on a steep slope up to 300 meters up and down, and they have an important role to play in improving the fertility of the soil. Also, Mangalore is known for its oolong tea, very famous, controlled under the Union Organic Certificates and is unique to this region. Totapara village in the Adalipura district of West Bengal lies in the foothills of Himalayas. Now, Toto is one of the isolated tribes which are seen in West Bengal. They have small eyes, broad cheeks, and thick lips. Now, this is one of the regions which is also home to Jaldapara National Park and home to Totos, which is one of the smallest tribal groups of West Bengal and therefore important. The next is Purna Garbhanga village, which lies in Kamrup, Assam. Now 15 settlements, one of the 15 settlements of Kamrup, which has been struggling for the basic facilities for survival like road, health, water, electricity, and is known for the Kamrup district itself is known for two important things. One is the Kamakhya Devi temple and the other is the Hajo, which is one of the major pilgrimage centers. The next is Ramaserry village in Palakkad, Kerala. Ramaserry is known for its Ramaserry idli, which is one of the most ancient and traditional forms of idli, and Palakkad is also known as the granary of Kerala due to the presence in the region of Western Ghats in the Palakkad Gap. The next is Dingi village in Patiala district, Punjab. Now this is located in the Naba Tehsil and a new wastewater treatment facility plant has been initiated in this region using the Sheval method for treating the wastewater for irrigation. This has become one of the major centers. The next is Tashigang village in Kinnaur. Now Kinnaur district is known for its fruit production, some of the best quality fruits, and Tashigang has been recently in news because it is one of the world's highest polling booth, and this is at a height of 15,256 feet above the sea level. This region also got the first tapped water connection in 2020 as part of Jal Jeevan mission. The next is Marusudar river in Kishtwar district in Jammu Kashmir. Now Marusudar is one of the tributaries of Chenab, very important, and the Palakkad hydroelectric power project of 1,000 megawatts is being proposed on this, and therefore has been in news. The Kishtwar, which is surrounded by Anantnag and Dora, is known as the land of sapphire and saffron and is important. So those were some of the important locations that we have covered for today. We would be covering many more important map locations which had been in news recently. So stay tuned for updates from our side. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.